quit the fuckery, well, never mind. Leave it all to the missus her number. She's gonna quit the job and make it in another way. Finding it out that she never regret it. Figuring it out and she never regret it. Figuring it out and she never regret it. She's gonna quit the job, the factory, well, never mind. She'll be...
Ucololo, Lorenzo. Gracias. Benvinguts al segon festival de ukeleles. Bueno, pues el micro se queda abierto y subirá el primero que va a tocar un tema.
Tonto el culo y Chanel, del IBEX 35 y el Nikkei. Gracias. Un aplauso bien grande para la gente que ha organizado esto y para Choan, que es un valiente. Ojalá lo clonen.
Verifican los rincones que anda suelto un ladrón de los que roban corazones, que lejos que quedan tuyo pasaría ya el ladrón.
'Cause we are the world, we are the children. We are the ones make brighter days, so let's start giving. Keep my town alone, so lonesome and blue, 'cause I found something I never knew. What it means to be sad, 'cause I love the best girl I ever had. She only left yesterday. Somebody stole her away. Without your love, it's a honky-tonk parade. Without your love, it's a melody played on the penny arcade. It's a bound and valley wall.
Lo siguiente es el sorteo.
Han colaborado cediendo ukeleles, Risa Musical Instruments, Ohana Music, My Ukelele y Kala Ukelele. Y un servidor, como que cosas, ha incluido algunos accesorios. Bueno, explico lo que hay. Un libro para aprender a tocar el ukelele, porque te vas con un ukelele y si no sabes qué hacer con él, pues ¿qué hacemos? Un afinador para afinarlo, que también viene bien. Una camiseta de Uke Cosas, para estar tan guapo como Víctor cuando se pone la camiseta de Uke Cosas. Y bueno, felicidades a los premiados.
Bueno, con la masterclass, ¿eh? Pero es clase de maestros. Si no sabéis nada, no os apuntéis, ¿eh? Yo no me voy a apuntar.
Bueno, esto es una historia que he llamado Walking Bass. ¿Estáis todos preparados con los ukeleles? Sí. ¿Y todo el mundo sabe tocar un acorde de do séptima? Sí. ¿Podemos hacer todos un acorde de do séptima?
back when she was just away. Damn it, she realized she has one life. Eternal says she walking up for someone else to say.
Sobre un tramo de vía, cruzando un paisaje de ensueño, en un tren que me lleva de nuevo a ser muy pequeño. De una América a otra tan solo es cuestión de un segundo. Basta con desearlo y podrá recorrer todo el mundo. Un muchacho que trepa a lo alto de un muro. Si se siente seguro verá su futuro con claridad. Y el futuro es una nave que por el tiempo volará. Yo soy nave, voy navegando y mi vela eres tú. Bajo el agua veo de colores, van donde quieren, no los mandas tú, no los mandas tú. Sé que hace más frío en la calle y que hay quien se lleva lo que a mí ya no me vale. Y sé que el viento se lleva el día y hoy no tengo ganas de salir detrás de él. Y allá donde yo voy no necesito nada. Y allá donde yo voy, my love has got no money, it's got a trampoline. My love has got no power, it's got a trampoline. My love has got no fame, it's got a trampoline. My love has got no money, it's got a trampoline. One more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, one more and more. Oh, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, free from desire. Mind and senses purify, freed from desire. Mind and senses purify, freed from desire. Mind and senses purify, freed from desire. Ha! No, 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 no.
Lorenzo.
As if you were a child. Smile, no matter what I tell you. Don't listen to a word they say, 'cause life is beautiful that way. Tears, a tidal wave of tears. Light, that only disappears. Wait, before you close the curtain, there's still another game to play, and life is beautiful that way.
Ya no me sé más letras y que voy a cantar. Swallowing my pain with his finger, save my life with his word, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Whoa,
This is the way down to the harbor.
Follow the trail that was made by my father.
Cobblestone worn with children's laughter.
Good memories, happy ever after.
and the sky is completely unbroken. The world is wide open. We play the game, chasing the water, washing away the words we have written. We are the kings of the sandcastle. Emily wanted to be a star, but she couldn't get very far. She put to the test or equality. She has done her best, but she had to see that there's no request for the charming mommy Emily. Blue